Today we're gonna go to the Pinewood Social Club.
Yeah, we can go bowling.
We're gonna go bowling,
yep.
And then we're gonna
scooter around.
scoot around downtown. What is your opinion of the Pinewood Social Club?
It's pretty cool. Like, I really like you get the shot of the aesthetic here. The decorations here are pretty good, and I'm just like not so patiently waiting for my drink to start the day.
Cross that bridge over there.
Oh, we got tired of sunlight because like it's burning outside. See, it's like, yeah, it's very burning outside. So we don't want to see flowers because it's outdoors, obviously. I just want some air conditioning and some drinks. So we're here at the bowling alley.
It's your first time bowling, isn't it? In a long time?
Yeah. I think the last time I played bowling is like 2 years ago. I only played bowling once in my life.
Taking a picture of me, I swear you cannot trust him. So quiet. Don't you wish you had it? It is yummy. And I'm done. Cut.
Everyone, give it up.
Let me see if they have. To your union, to the union, to the revolution.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to Monell's to have classic country breakfast. It's classic southern because I haven't even tried southern food here except for John's dad's breakfast, which is good, but like I haven't tried the classical southern food, so we're on our way there. And I heard you're gonna sit at a table with other people and talk, so I imagine that would be a nightmare for me. I'll try my best.
I'm so packed. I'm so boring. I cannot even. I just want to go to sleep right now.
Everyone was nice though.
Everyone, like, people are really nice, but like I'm like I just want to have minimum conversation possible. But like, no, if I'm with a lot of people, if I come with like 4 or 5 other girlfriends of mine, we'll be talking like really funny. But like, John is not so funny, you know. Everyone knows that. And so we're like sitting there. I just want to eat my own food, but the food is like really good. The food is really good. And it's like all calories, which is like you don't eat that much calorie. I don't really eat that much calories in New York. not just breakfast, it's breakfast and lunch. It's like
Where's the Greenway?
it's really pretty. It has many trees, but like I have this Alash song in my head. It's stuck in my head. I'm like humming it all the time. I'm she, like that.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling,
Hey, I need cloud. Just bring me cool.
What flavor of ice cream did you get?
Strawberry and coffee.
How is it?
Yeah. I haven't tried the coffee before. It's good. Hello.
Hello.
We're on the way to the airport and I'm going back to New York. What's my impression? So many trees, which is like so good because like you only see buildings in New York, and this is like so good, and the food is so great, and I can't think right now because I'm just tired. Well, everything has been so great, and I'm glad it's my second time to the South. Nashville, like New Orleans doesn't really count because like
Nashville versus New Orleans, which one's better?
it's different. I can't choose. It's like such different because like in New Orleans you just get drunk all the time, and Nashville is like more like southern. It's like really a trip of like southern experience. So yeah, probably gonna come back one day.
Yay!
Drive your car. Okay. That's all. I'm glad. That's all.